today we're doing motorcycle tricks. Okay, let's get into it. Hey guys, so make sure to like and subscribe. Once I get 20 likes, remember that I'm going to make a music video which features Gady, which is my cameraman.
So I'm going to make the song. She's going to sing it. I'm going to also sing in it. Maybe Zachary will sing in it. I don't know where he went. So I'm going to ride the bike first. So let's see how this goes.
Do a close-up of the bike first, like just to show them how it looks.
And then the helmet.
It's an MX360. Okay, show them the helmet.
So we have two helmets, her helmet, my helmet. For her time, when she rides this, she's gonna have a GoPro view on top of her helmet. And for me, I'm not gonna have a GoPro view because I don't want a GoPro view. I could have got one, but I don't want one.
Okay, let's do it.
Where am I going?
Want to go which way? That way?
I'll go that way.
That way. Okay.
Yeesh.
Going back around. Keep coming. Whoa.
Guys, I totally bet that I was gonna pop wheelie, but I know how to pop wheelie on my bike, but this is much heavier than my bike. If you see my bike, I think you have in the Coke and Mentos thing when they dumped the water on my head.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure if you saw my bike.
Wait, so
What's it
Oh
called?
wait, Zach.
the one you help me?
Wait.
He's coming around. Whoa.
That was fun. Alright. I'm gonna snap my fingers at the soon when she's done like showing around, and then right away, right when I snap my fingers, you guys are gonna be sitting on the bike with her helmet with the GoPro on, but not on. She's gonna wear it, and then once she sits on the bike, she's gonna turn it on and then start going. 3, 2, 1, whoa!
You need to give me a warning. What were you thinking?
Okay, anyway. I'm a superhero. That's what I was thinking.
Okay, let's do some drives. That way?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. She's gone.
Is that a gas?
Yeah.
Wait. Are you gonna do it also in the rain? Daddy, it's not gonna be raining hard.
You forgot to turn the GoPro on.
Yeah, but dude, come on.
The GoPro isn't even on. Look how far away she is. Yo, my brother's in the way. You forgot to turn the GoPro on.
Yeah, I know. Is it recording?
It's...
Well, let me turn it on. Turn it
Guys, can you tell me if it's recording or not? Because I can't tell
on.
you.
Well, I'm turning it off. And then I'm gonna turn it back
Guys, so the video stopped recording. I don't know why, but we fixed it, okay? So guys, I'm gonna turn off this camera and then the GoPro is gonna be the only one on. I'm gonna throw you guys into the GoPro and the GoPro will be the only one on. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. What?
It's called Why Not Live It. Fans, right?
What are you doing in the way?
Anyway, I got interrupted by a fan.
Fan over here, yes, / cameraman.
Woohoo! Not you! I was talking about her. She asked me in the middle of the way what my channel is called.
getting more subscribers every single day, bro.
Exactly.
You know Jake Paul's every day, bro song? It's about to come true. It's every day, bro. I'm getting subscribers.
Okay.
Fans in the middle of the way. Ask me what my YouTube channel's called. The camera's not even on him. I'm going like this. Yo, so maybe that's gonna be the song that. Who knows? No,
Okay.
our songs are actually good. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'll be way better than that.
Trust me, it's gonna be way better. So the GoPro's not off, right? So guys, you guys are gonna go inside the camera, and the camera's gonna be the only one on. Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Recording.
Let's go.
Guys,
ready?
if you guys don't know, I'm gonna be having a YouTube channel with my friend this month maybe. We're gonna have what? This is my friend. Okay, what's it called? So we're gonna have a YouTube channel maybe this month. We don't know yet. Our songs are gonna be pranking, basketball, and music videos. So all 3 of those, no more than those 3. Also traveling, those 4, no more than those 4. And that's what our YouTube channel is gonna be mainly about. We're gonna have only 4 things: traveling, pranking, vlogging, that's 3, music videos, I say prank, and basketball. So those are the main things we're gonna be doing on my our channel. So go check it out. I'll leave it. No, wait. The next time that Yvette comes with her vlog camera. No, next time Yvette comes with her vlog camera, I'm gonna tell you guys if I have the YouTube channel yet or not, because I can't tell you go subscribe and whatever because I don't even have the video. I don't have the channel yet. So
I'll put a link in the description to his channel, so don't worry, you'll find it.
yeah, and what's it called? She's getting stopped. Right when I turned off the camera, she's been stopped by a few people, fans asking what her channel's called. So subscribers, huh? Views, huh?
Yeah.
A girl version of Jake Paul
Smash
now.
that subscribe button so we can make that music video. No?
The new girl Jake Paul right here getting views. Right.
I do not want to be Jake Paul. No offense to him. I want to be something different.
Logan Paul? The girl
No,
Logan Paul?
I just want to be me.
Yeah, but you're gonna have the same views and subscribers as them
Okay,
because
yeah, I'm gonna
you
beat
have
them. I'm gonna beat them.
yeah, because people are just stopping you. What's your channel? So she's gonna be the new top. You know how Jake Paul and Logan Paul are gonna be the top because they're fighting KSI and Deji. She's gonna be the new top dog.
Okay, let's get into those tricks. Everyone, get out of the way. We're going. 3, 2.
You want me to turn the GoPro on? No? Bye! Take the camera and run! Take the camera and run! She didn't see me run. Bye! Stole your camera! What's going on?
I hit the curb over there.
What?
I hit the curb. Standing up. It's not that hard. You said you're gonna fall.
What?
You said you were gonna fall. That curb is not that hard to hit.
No, while I'm going up it. Whatever.
Yeah, well, going up it.
Well,
I just went up.
Move out. Way.